My worker over there setting up the dyno for me.
Yeah. Can I get paid, please?
I'll pay you next week. I'll pay you in gum. Car is loaded on the dyno. Gonna go in and start tuning it. So I already uploaded something in there to get it to start. It's kind of like a rough start right now. I have to fix that. I'll go in and look at all that, try to get it to start better. It was just something that I made up really quick so they can check for leaks and everything. Alright, so 453 horsepower to the wheels, 422, doing 10 pounds of boost. Yeah, I know you.
The only thing here that's not white.
Honey, I blew up the clutch.
Fuck. Shit like a fucking wastegate spring in there.
Right. That looks pretty sick. Iron Yusuf.
Oh yeah, that's a new Iron Man setup right here.
Right. So 2020 370Z, I already have it flashing. We gotta wait the 15 minutes. This one did pretty good. The baseline was 300 wheel already with no tune. Has the Stillen intakes, test pipes, and the Goretti dual exhaust. Alright, so I'm sorry I forgot to record, so you guys already know. The baseline was 300 on this one with 243 torque. This is the third pull, I believe, that I've done. We're at 307 and 250 torque. I feel like the torque is already gonna be maxed out. Just trying to see if we can get him at least to 310, but that's already like a pretty big gap right there, so he's definitely gonna feel the difference. Let's see what happens. Here we are, flashing it again. Yeah, hello. Next up for tuning, G37. Alright, so it finally flashed after 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and do a pull and see if it goes past 307. Horsepower and 1 torque. Let's see what the next pull does after a minor adjustment. And 252. So that's gonna be the final number. The car is pretty much maxed out. So 2020, it already did really good on the baseline, which was 300